Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming the VGA device and adapter type. Active adapters need power, passive do not. Plug the VGA cable into the source firmly and connect the adapter to the VGA port. Once done, attach the HDMI cable from the adapter to the monitor. If the adapter has a USB power lead, plug it into a 5V USB port. Make sure the adapter's LED or indicator lights show power. This prevents handshake failures and sets the stage for signal conversion. Once cables are secure, you configure the VGA source resolution to a safe value like 1024 by 768, then adjust upward if the display supports it. This avoids no signal issues. Open display settings, match the refresh rate, typically 60 Hz, and set scaling to 16:9 if required. If using an active adapter with audio input, connect the 3.5mm audio jack. Otherwise, route audio separately. Make sure to save changes and watch the monitor for a steady image before To finalize, confirm the monitor detects the HDMI input and that the image fills the screen. Adjust overscan or scaling if needed. If you see no image, power cycle the source and display and reseat all cables. This often resolves handshake problems. Should problems persist, drop the resolution to a safe mode and test another HDMI cable. If still failing, swap in a different active adapter. Key troubleshooting tip: power and resolution mismatches cause most failures, so check those.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.